Did you know that Joan Crawford's infamous wire hanger rage wasn't just bad parenting, but the terrifying result of method acting gone completely wrong? In the 1940s, Crawford started using household cleaning to prepare for her working-class movie roles. She would scrub floors for hours and organize his closets, trying to understand how poor characters lived, but this acting technique slowly took over her real life. Crawford began waking up at 3 in the morning to clean her massive mansion. She would inspect her children's bedrooms wearing white gloves, searching for any speck of dust or mess. When she found imperfections, she would explode into violent fits of rage. The cleaning rituals became so extreme that doctors had to treat her for psychological problems. They discovered that Crawford could no longer tell the difference between her movie characters and her actual personality. The method acting had consumed her mind completely. That famous wire hanger scene from Mommy Dearest was just one horrifying example of how her acting preparation had turned into a genuine mental disorder that terrorized her family for decades.